Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my dorm room, show you where I got all my inspiration from, and tell you where I got everything. Okay, so when I first moved in, it just looked really cold and empty. Obviously I'll insert some pictures and I'll show you. So I went into Pinterest and got some inspiration. Basically I knew that I wanted to have like neutral tones, like beige, brown, blues, greens. That was like the main idea. So I went on Pinterest and looked for some inspo and I found like a lot of things, so that's why I started and knew what to get. Okay, so I really got everything from 3 main shops. So Mr. Price, Sheet Street and Pep Home. So like for example, the table I got from Pep, the lamp I got from Sheet Street, and that plant, fake plant, I got from Sheet Street as well. And that book my friend gave me. The headboard actually my mom and I found at like this random like furniture store. It was really cheap, but it was really ugly, so we bought it and then we got material and we covered it, so we upholstered it ourselves. And so I really like it, that black headboard. Yeah, that doesn't come with the room, but the white block over here, that's actually a heater and that just comes with the room. And then all the pillows are from Pep actually. Yeah, all the pillows are from Pep. The blanket, hold on, I'm going to say. The blanket is from Sheet Street and so is the throw, also from Sheet Street. So like I said, I basically got most of the stuff from those 3 stores. Okay, now this poster or collage I actually made. I watched another girl on YouTube and she showed, on her dorm room tour, she showed how to do that. So I actually watched hers and I got inspiration from that. All these pictures are from Pinterest. It's mainly everything like mainly Harry Styles. But yeah, I got all those from Pinterest. Then I put on a Word document and I printed it out at like a Kodak. And then I cut it out, and that whole thing took me like 3 hours to like cut out, put it in the right order. It took forever, but I think it looks really nice, so I think it's definitely worth it. And those plants up there I got from Sheet Street and Mr. Price. The 2 outer ones from Mr. Price and the inner ones from Sheet Street. I put it in little pots and I just put it on top of the windowsill because I think that looks pretty nice. Okay, so I had to stand behind the camera for this because the lighting kept switching, but these curtains I also got from a store that was in town. And then this is where I put the bookshelves, where I put my books and things. And there's my laptop and plants I got from a nursery. And then the throw I got from Pep Home to cover the chair because the chair was a little bit damaged. And then this is the carpet that I got from Mr. Price. It's actually really nice. It goes all the way down to the end of the bed, so that's nice. So yeah, that's my carpet and my little desk work area, as you can see. So next to my desk there is a mirror, my fridge, as well as this little cart that I actually got from Take-A-Lot, and that's where I keep my kettle, my blender, my plates and things like that. And next to my desk, in that little like nook, I keep some of my shoes, just for just. And then this dustbin that comes with the room, I just put normal like grocery bags in it. Yeah. Okay, so on this side of the room is just a little like rack to keep your towel on, and then on this top cupboard I keep like groceries and pots and extra plates, anything that I want to hide really I put on top there. And this cupboard is like just for clothes. Honestly, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.